back, my YouTube friends and family, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Now, it was in a video that took off for my channel that I did about a month ago, where I listed 9 non-phone work from home jobs, and I said in that video that I would try to make this a weekly thing. Now, this video doesn't have as many job leads as that, and it is not as long, but I do have some non-phone work from home job leads for you today. Now, I hate doing these longer videos on Mondays because HR always comes in after the weekend and closes down a lot of these jobs and puts new positions open. So I hope that I can get this video out to you as fast as possible so that these jobs are still open and taking applications. Now, one thing to note, all the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video if you want to read reviews on the company or get those applications in. But please, if you enjoy any of these job leads, let me know by giving that thumbs up like button to this video. That gives me the direct feedback. And of course, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, first up, we have the company Rocket Companies, or like Rocket Money. They have 4,800 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor with a 3.4 out of 5-star overall employee satisfaction rating. They are hiring a customer experience associate. Now, this is going to be remote for the United States. All of these positions I'm sharing are for the United States only, but customer service does not have to mean on the phone. With all the technology we have these days, we have like apps, we have email, we have website chat, and so that is what they are looking to do. Now, Rocket Money's mission is to empower people to live their best financial lives. They offer members a unique way of understanding their finances through different financial services. But they are looking for somebody to basically use the online chat platform to talk with Rocket Money's customers and members. You're going to provide that great customer service, answer questions about the app, and assist members with their accounts and solve any general issues that they have. You'll provide resources and guide members to how to maximize their premium memberships. And if you have any technical issues that you can't help them with, you're going to escalate those up to the engineering team and communicate any solutions to the members from the engineering team. So you'll have to help draft those support articles and assist with creating member tutorials. Now, they are not requiring any kind of a college degree. They're looking for somebody who is interested in personal finance, somebody who has great communication skills and can be empathetic, giving that great customer service. You've got to be a problem solver and self-motivated. Good thing about this job is pay is fairly decent, $20 to $24 an hour. Plus, they give a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. If you have great customer service skills, but doing that website chat just isn't your thing, maybe listening to phone calls and giving your feedback, so no talking, just listening to already recorded phone calls, might be just for you. The company Maximus, now they have hired for positions like this before. I've shared them before. They have 4,700 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.4 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a QC or QA admin. Now, again, this is remote for the United States, but Maximus is looking for a limited service quality assurance analyst. You'll work from home, be responsible for auditing and facilitating the calibration calls with the quality staff and or supervisors. Basically, you're going to serve as a representative for the contact center's quality organization. You're going to apply scoring guidelines provided in quality manuals or other monitoring documents to conduct the quality monitoring observations on phone calls and written email correspondence handled by the customer service representatives. So you're not actually taking those calls, you are listening to the recorded calls and grading them and giving them scores based on the guidelines that you're given. They're specifically looking for you to follow procedures and directions to assist the quality of service provided through monitoring those calls. You'll have to make sure the accuracy information was provided to the customer and that the rep adhered to any established policies and procedures. So you're going to conduct these call monitoring sessions, working with those workers to make sure that they are given their performance standards and feedback. So you're going to provide them with feedback on all the calls you monitored. Now, they are only requiring a high school diploma or GED and 1 to 3 years of experience. This experience needs to be in customer service, call center, or quality quality assurance. You also need to be able to meet deadlines, be organized, and be a team player. Of course, you have to have great communication skills. Now, it does look like you have to have your own computer. They are not providing that for you, but pay for this position is going to be dependent on location and experience. It goes anywhere from $16.20 an hour all the way up to $26.44 an hour. But moving right along, it wouldn't be me if I didn't throw some kind of healthcare position in here. R1 RCM has 2,100 reviews from current and past employees. They do have an overall satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a cash posting representative. Now, again, remote for the United States. They are specifically looking for somebody to work 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. And that says it's according to the candidate's time zone. So this is going to be Monday through Friday, daytime shift, no weekends, and you get to work in your own time zone, which is something not a lot of companies offer. But they're basically looking for somebody to be responsible for reviewing deposit logs, verifying payments from those insurance companies, and making sure they're received and posted to the patient's correct accounts. So this is going to be cash posting for a healthcare company. So checks come in from insurance companies, self-pay, all of that. You need to make sure that the accounts balance out and the proper payments are applied where they need to go. So you'll efficiently and effectively sort all the deposits in the appropriate database or lockbox, balancing those payments posted in relation to the deposits that are outstanding, reviewing all checks and correspondence, designated unable to locate, working with other teams across the organization to make sure the recipient of a payment is established. You'll have to maintain accurate understanding of the application as it pertains to your cash posting job functions, meeting deadlines, and all of that. Now, again, no college degree is needed, just a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of customer service experience. Now, they prefer somebody who has a healthcare background or eClinical Works, but that's not required as long as you have at least 1 year of customer service experience. And don't forget, customer service can mean anything from babysitting, waiting tables, being a cashier at a department store, anything where you have served someone else. So this might be a great way to get into the healthcare field if you're looking to make a change. Now, unfortunately, I did not find where they listed pay for this position. I don't work for any of these companies. I just simply share what I find online. So actual pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. It does say, however, that they offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Now, this one is going to require a little bit of a phone work, so that's why I saved it to the end, but it's a lot of research. So I thought that I would just share it in this video. US Bank, they have 10,000 reviews with an overall rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for somebody to work remote in the United States handling their theft and dispute specialist. So the FCRA is like your credit reports where you can dispute items on your credit report. If US Bank says that you have a past due loan with them and they put something on your credit report, people may dispute that. And so that will be kind of what you're working on. You're going to be responsible for claims, disputes, intake, review, and disposition of potentially suspicious transactions, events, or scenarios involving different levels of exposure. You'll be doing things like reviewing cases, doing claims processing, claims disputes, risk-based actions, investigating research, and doing secondary review of these customer service processes. So you are going to be intaking the issue and then doing all the research to solve the issue of complaints that people have or disputes that people have. Now, it doesn't say how the intake is going to be done. I'm assuming this is going to be done taking phone calls of people calling in to the complaint. That's why I said this would be some phone work, but a lot of it's going to be that research in solving these issues. Now, they're only requiring a high school diploma or GED and 3 or more years of related work experience or any kind of combination of education, training, and experience. They need somebody who is very analytical because you're going to have to do the research. You need a good knowledge of operation functions, system policies, procedures, somebody who can work with various forms of technology, including transaction processing systems like payment processing systems, someone who's good working with the computer, specifically those Microsoft Office applications. And you've got to definitely be a problem solver. If this sounds like you, though, pay ranges anywhere from $22.74 an hour all the way up to $33.37 an hour. They have kind of the midpoint marked at $30.34 an hour. A lot of places, when they have a pay range like this of low, mid, and high, they seem to start you out around the mid and let you get raises and all, working your way up to the high. So I'm assuming maybe around $30 an hour is what this would start you out at. But if you've got that experience, you can get up to $33 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those, and keep that in mind when I am out there searching for job leads to share. If you enjoyed any of these job leads, don't forget to let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.